Hey everyone, back here at the North Street Hingham project. Just wanted to give you a kind of a update on where things are at. Most of all the new framing is in, a little bit more to go, but all new plumbing. The entire house had to be rewired as well. This is a late 1800s farmhouse that had a lot of original wiring in it, so obviously not up to code, and everything had to be replaced. So give you a quick look around, and this is one of the nice things about this house is that now it has a wide open living space in the front. So basically from front to back on the house, what you're seeing will be eventually the kitchen that I'm in now, and behind me was a new bathroom. Washer dryer will be in there as well. So there was, as you know, a chimney in the middle of the room, and what happened was this, and all the walls came down in between the living room, the dining room, and this steel beam was installed to support the house, so with new footings in the basement as well. So I'm here on the second floor of the North Street Hingham project, and the owner of the house didn't have a lot of square feet to work with, so they're really trying to maximize every inch of this property. So this is basically going to be the master bedroom up here. There actually was a closet here, but they're getting a little creative with this space here. The owner has an armoire that they want to fit in there and really try to maximize their closet space with the armoire that will hold clothes. So this will be a walk-in closet over here, the one with the window in it. And this is the new bathroom, which they're going to be putting a pocket door in here. You can see the track is already installed, so that again just to maximize the space, just so you don't have an opening and closing door. The pocket doors really work well sometimes with that. So, but all the new plumbing is in, and this will be a shower here. Obviously all new electric has been wired into the house, all new plumbing up to code, and it's looking real good.